By the way, Butch gave me another outboard trolling motor, and it doesn't work, but I'm guessing probably the same thing that was wrong with that other one that Jerry gave me is wrong with this one. These things, the wiring up here gets loose or corroded. Little spring-loaded brass clip things in there. Get to where they don't make contact anymore. Not a real hard fix. It's a little bit you know, you're handling a lot of little small pieces and stuff when you're trying to get down in there and get it apart and get it back together, but not the end of the world. So now I got two of them. I got one all working and I got one to work on. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and take this chair and mount this vise on here that Rusty bought me the other day. I was saying when I bought that I was gonna put it on there. He said I might need something a little heavier. He's probably right. Yeah, it was on here. Give me something that's better than nothing. No more heavier work than I'm doing. I might get away with just shooting some screws down to it. I want this far enough on so that this bar doesn't hit the chair. There we go. Let me go see what I got to bolt that down with. I might have some long bolts in the other room there. I think I might have got some grade 8 bolts that I'm not using. I'll go and see what I can find. That ain't exactly the most blessed assurance I've ever seen, but I bet it'll work for what I'm doing today. Oh, the joy. A little hard to hold that, especially something small. Hard to hold it and grind the corners. It's harder to grind the corners because your grinding wheel tends to want to go around the corner instead of going down through. So I believe that will let me do what I want to do. I'll fetch me up a little piece of cord here, plug in my machine, and we'll commence the grinding on that there. Holy boy. What I could easily do instead of cut these two side pieces off, just take a hammer and drive them over. I got a little small headed hammer, so I could just take and hammer that in and hammer that in on top of it, and then put my two screws right there on that piece of stuff. Let's see what I got. I got a hammer out yonder, but I might be able to use this one right here just to kind of stay still, Rusty. This. Then I'll put this piece overlapping that bar out there and shoot a couple screws in it. That should be fine. That should be stronger than an old half burned up weld, which is what I was going to have using that other piece. Now I may need to cut this again. I think I only needed 4 inches. I think this might be 5-ish. Let's see how close I am out here. Probably I'll put y'all down over here. You can sort of watch from there. Maybe see something. I think I'm going to want to take that off right there. So I'll go inside and make that cut.